Hello aspirants, welcome to our channel Polymath People. Today we are going to talk about the top companies for DNS 2026. मगर DNS होता क्या है? Unlike BSc or BTech, DNS is a one-year pre-C training program that prepares students to become deck officers in merchant navy, leading to a career in ship navigation and management. Now, there are several factors that determine the top companies for a batch. लेकिन आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के बारे में. फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, यू मस्ट हैव अ गुड IMU सेट रैंक इन 2025 एग्जामिनेशन. IMU सेट रैंक सुनते ही मन में सवाल तो आए होंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले व्हाट इज IMU सेट? IMU सेट, इंडियन मैरीटाइम यूनिवर्सिटी कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट. Basically an entrance exam जिससे आप डिप्लोमा इन नॉटिकल साइंस, BSc इन नॉटिकल साइंस एंड BTech इन मरीन इंजीनियरिंग जैसे कोर्सेज में एडमिशन ले सकते हो. एंड IMU सेट रैंक आपको सारे कैंडिडेट्स के बीच में आपकी अपनी पोजीशन बताता है. मैथ्स इज सिंपल, हायर द रैंक, better the chance of getting admission into the top universities and colleges. Let's break it into parts. IMU set rank आखिर इतना important क्यों है? The answer is clear. Top shipping companies shortlist candidates based on their IMU set rank. Into the counseling, your rank is your representative and it solely decides which course or campus you are getting in. And a good company, course or campus any day increases your chances of getting better training, stipend and placement. If you got a rank under 2000, stay assured that you're getting a top college. And if your rank lies somewhere between 2000 to 5000, the real competition is awaiting for you. A rank above 5000 and below 8000, you may get a company or college, but not the top ones. And if your rank is above 8000, you may try your luck, but I would recommend you to try again next year with better preparations if possible. Here's a list of few top companies for DLS February batch 2026. The first one we talk about is Anglo-Eastern Ship Management. 70% in PCM, 60% in English is their eligibility criteria. Your age must be between 17 years to 25 years. Stipend varies from ship to ship, but on an average, it is $550 to $650 for a deck cadet. Improvement students are allowed and noise students are not allowed. The second company we are having is Great Eastern Shipping Company. Its eligibility is 60% in PCM, 50% in English. Your age must be between 17 years to 24 years. Stipend varies from $400 to $500. Improvement students are allowed and higher students are not allowed. Our next company is Seven Islands. Eligibility criteria is 70% in PCM, 50% in English. Your age must be between 17 years to 25 years. Stipend is in INR, that is 17,000 to 20,000. And improvement students are allowed and higher students are allowed as well. Our next company is a very fast growing company since its eligibility criteria is 65% in PCM, 60% in English. Your age must be between 17 years to 25 years. Stipend here is in INR, that is 15,000 to 20,000. Improvement students not allowed and higher students not allowed as well. Our next company is a management company, that is Fleet Management. A very, very, very good company. Its eligibility criteria is 70% in PCM, 70% in English. Your age must be between 17 years to 20 years. Stipend varies from $500 to $700. NIO students not allowed, improvement students not allowed as well. And the last company we are having with us is Scorpio Tankers. Its eligibility criteria is quite tricky. You must have scored 65% in each, physics, chemistry, mathematics and English as well. And you must have scored 65% combined in PCM. Your age must be between 17 years to 25 years. Stipend varies from $600 to $700. Improvement students not allowed, NIO students not allowed as well. And yes, February batch के लिए कुछ colleges भी आती हैं, जैसे कि TS रहमान, IMI and Ganpat University. Let's talk about them separately. The first one is TS Rahman, a well-known maritime training institute located in Maharashtra, India. Its eligibility criteria is 60% in PCM and 50% in English. The top companies that come in TS Rahman are Goodwood, BSM, IMEC. The next company we are having is IMI, International Maritime Institute. located in Noida, India. Its eligibility criteria is 70% in PCM and 70% in English as well. The top companies that come in IMI campus are Fleet Management, MSc, Vellum and V-Ships. And the last college we have is Ganpat University. Its eligibility is 60% in PCM, 50% in English. And the companies that come in Ganpat University are Tom Tankers, Scorpio Tankers, Eastway and Mall. For more detailed information about these colleges, you can visit their sites mentioned below in the description box. If you want the exam pattern of all the companies in the video, you can comment down Merchant Navy. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more such content, as we are going to cover the entire syllabus on YouTube for free. And yes, we are going to provide you the company related questions. Stay tuned.